Remote conference is always stuck. Lower picture quality, still stuck. No need to compromise. High quality offers Wi-Fi. Choose i27 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 dual band ceiling mounted AP. i27. High speed rate. 3000 megabits per second high speed, 160 megahertz bandwidth, double the internet speed for smoother video conferencing. With a new generation of Wi-Fi 6 technology, and equipped with OFDMA, MU-MIMO, and other technologies, 80 terminals can be accessed at the same time, and the network speed is still fast and smooth. Strong signal. High-performance antennas with external independent FEMs, strong and powerful signal, 400 coverage with 0 blind spot. Built-in 4 dBi high-gain antennas, strong signal, easily penetrate the wall, even weak signal can be received, easily cover 400, can go online quickly even at the edge of the signal. Seamless roaming. Seamless roaming at 50 milliseconds, from upstairs to downstairs, automatically switch to the best Wi-Fi. When moving within the coverage area, the internet device automatically connects to the AP node with the best signal, with a switching latency as low as 50 milliseconds. Whether it's a video conference or a voice call, you can walk freely and unrestrictedly. Easy installation. Small, delicate, elegant, space-saving, blend into any decoration. The 176 by 43.5 mm size design is compact, elegant and stylish, which can perfectly fit into various scenes and greatly save space. The network cable is connected from the ceiling to the network port hidden at the back of the AP, making the wiring neat and simple. More flexible. Supports standard power supply, no external power supply required, easier to install. Real plug and play, no external power supply needed, no need to consider the socket location, power cable alignment, etc. Convenient wiring, flexible networking.